See the question, 12th question. In B2H6, BH3 is a Lewis base. Lewis base means it must have the lone pair, but BH3 is electron deficient, so it is Lewis acid property. External BH bonds have less p character. This is true because when we see the structure of B2H6, in case of B2H6, here this central bond between boron and hydrogen and boron, that is a bridged bond, this acquire more p character. Because of that more p character in hybrid orbital, sp3 hybrid orbital, the terminal bonds, these bonds are formed by overlapping of hybrid orbital sp3 with 1s orbital of hydrogen. Here percentage of p character is less and s character is more. So 2 is the correct statement in this. All bond angles are 120, that is not true. Here the bond angles are different and sp3 hybridization is present in the boron. BHB bonds are not identical. Both these bonds are similar bonds. Those are called tau bonds or bridged bonds. So correct answer in this is second option is correct. Let me take 13th question. In this question, which of the following probability 4 pi r square distribution cos is correct for 3s orbital? If you take, this is the position of nucleus, from nucleus at certain distance r, if electron is propagating around the nucleus in form of a three-dimensional wave like this. Consider this is dr at distance r. Now, what is the volume of this spherical region around the nucleus? With maximum probability of finding electron is 4 pi r plus dr cube minus 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the volume with the maximum probability of finding electron around the nucleus. This value is 4 pi r square dr and the probability of finding electron in that region is 4 pi r square dr into psi square. Now this is also called d function. This value versus distance from the nucleus, if the graph is drawn, that gives the peaks that indicate the position of electron from the nucleus. The number of peaks obtained in this is always equal to n minus L. N minus L is the value that indicate the number of peaks here. So 3s orbital L value is 0. So for that 3 minus 0, so 3 peaks. So we can identify that is second option is correct. So let me proceed for